This is a Dover impulse elevator at the SeaGate Convention Center.
I can still taste the friggin' room in my mouth.
Might have to buzz it out. This is Dover. What's the old bumper? Go down to 1.
Let's go down to 1.
Door closed button works.
Go down, down, down to burn ring of fire.
3,000 pound capacity. Here at the 1, go 3, re-leveled. 3's burn out. This where it opens up at the convention center. There is a park-in attached to this place. It's kind of like going PNC Bank and Ross. Stop it. This thing has some problems. Please don't, Dad. Here are 3. Let's go. No, 1. Actually, we got out of 2.
You want to get out at 2?
Yeah, we got out of 2.
Let's move right down to 1.
That phone is locked.
If the elevator breaks, the farthest we can drop is like 25 feet. It's not too bad.
Or we're gonna need that alarm bell.
Right before we hit the bottom, jump up in the air.
No, we got off here, so we're getting off here.
Let's go back down to the first floor.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Door closed button works.
More usage than the elevator I've seen in about that 6 months.
This is a very nice elevator. Ooh, Sing has some door disease. Their fixtures, their impulse. I don't have to ring the alarm bell.
I don't think we have to ring the alarm bell. Get out before a fight gets.
And there is the free elevator.